Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, FR Auto Moto. Today, we're diving into something absolutely wild. What happens when you take a sip of Red Bull and reality completely shatters? Buckle up, because this is going to be an insane ride. Scene 1. The dull office, the calm before the storm. The camera opens on a dull, gray-toned office, the sound of clicking keyboards and an old air conditioner humming in the background. Jason, a drained, overworked office worker, sits slumped at his desk, staring blankly at an endless spreadsheet. His fingers move sluggishly across the keyboard, his eyelids heavy. A clock on the wall ticks agonizingly slow. Papers pile up. The office buzzes with mundane chatter. The world feels lifeless. Sitting on his desk, untouched, is a can of Red Bull. The only thing in the entire office that seems to have any color or energy. Jason groans, rubbing his temples. He's at his limit. His hands slowly reach out for the can. He hesitates. Then, with a sigh, he cracks it open. Scene 2. The awakening. Reality shatters. The moment the tab clicks, everything changes. A deafening boom echoes through the room as a shockwave of pure energy erupts from the can. The office walls pulsate like they're alive. Papers fly into the air as if caught in a hurricane. The lights flicker like a nightclub strobe. Jason brings the can to his lips. One sip. His pupils dilate. His hair stands up on end. His veins glow faintly blue as the Red Bull surges through his body. The desk beneath him rips apart, splitting into a futuristic race track stretching infinitely in both directions. His keyboard morphs into a steering wheel. His rolling chair transforms into a roaring Formula One car with massive jet engines. Jason barely has time to react. The car launches forward at breakneck speed, tires screeching, office supplies blasting past like debris caught in a storm. Scene 3. The insane Red Bull race. Jason screams, not in fear, but in exhilaration. He grips the wheel, his suit suddenly replaced by a full racing outfit. The office morphs around him. Desks become giant ramps. Filing cabinets explode into fireworks. His coworkers are now a full pit crew, waving flags and throwing tires into the air. A voice crackles through a headset Jason now mysteriously wears. Coworker shouting, "Jason, the boss needs those reports, now." Jason laughs, pure adrenaline in his voice. Jason. Too late, I'm already in the future. He yanks the wheel, drifting past a giant copier machine. The office water cooler explodes behind him like a NOS boost. Another coworker waves frantically at him from the sidelines. Coworker 2. Where are you even going? Jason grins like a maniac. Jason. I have no idea. Scene 4. Breaking the limits, beyond reality. The racetrack launches into the sky. Jason's car grows massive mechanical wings and transforms into a fighter jet. He blasts past skyscrapers, weaving through city buildings. Suddenly, he's in outer space. Stars blur past him as he breaks the sound barrier. He backflips around the moon, the force of his speed bending the laws of physics. The earth below distorts and stretches as Jason laughs with pure, unfiltered Red Bull-fueled insanity. Scene 5. The snap back to reality. Then, snap. Jason is back at his desk. The office is normal. The spreadsheet is still on his screen. His coworkers are staring. His chair is still an ordinary chair. His hair, however, is still standing straight up. His can of Red Bull is now completely empty. Silence. One coworker, cautiously leaning forward, whispers, "Coworker, did you just drink a Red Bull?" Jason, still breathing heavily, his eyes wild with energy, looks at his trembling hands and whispers back, "Jason, I think I just lived an entire lifetime, in 2 seconds." Final scene. The ultimate tagline. Cue dramatic voiceover. Announcer deep, epic tone, Red Bull. It doesn't just give you wings. A massive explosion flashes behind the Red Bull logo on screen. Announcer. It gives you insanity. Blackout. Outro. Call to action. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this insane Red Bull ride, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to FR Auto Moto, and press that notification bell so you never miss an epic video. See you in the next one. This now includes a hyped intro and a smooth outro to encourage engagement. Let me know if you want any more tweaks.